I want to welcome you to 3820 38th Avenue in Erickson. This property is perfect for families, hobbyists, and business entrepreneurs with a 4-bedroom home and attached 2-car garage, plus a detached large workshop with a powder room and office area and a double garage is more than perfect for storing equipment, all types of home businesses such as a mechanic, woodworking, and more, or any hobbyists. The main floor features a spacious kitchen with eating area, large dining and living rooms, 3 generous-sized bedrooms, and a full washroom. Plus a covered deck, which is perfect to enjoy gatherings or morning coffee with a mountain view. The basement has an additional bedroom, theater room, unfinished flex room, which is perfect to create your own space, such as an additional bedroom, office, or home gym, conveniently accessing the double-car garage. Enjoy the 4.25 acres of outdoor space, perfect for gardening, children, animals, and pets, plus the incredible abundance of fruit trees such as cherry, apricot, pear, plum, and apple. Amazing location, being close to schools, amenities, shopping, restaurants, hospital, recreation center, and more. I'm Deanna Kleina with Stonehouse Realty. For any information on this property, feel free to call me at 604-789-8202.